Hello children, I am here with your online virtual class video for subject EVS class LKG. The topics I am going to cover in this video are season, rainy season and fruits. Rainy season. Rainy season in India starts from the month of June and lasts till the month of September. The things we can see in rainy season are dark clouds, lightning, thundering, rainbow, things we use to protect ourselves from rain. It's umbrella, raincoat, gum boots. We can see the creatures like snail, frog, and after rain, of course, we can see greenery all over and beautiful flowers blooming. The fruits we get in rainy season: monsoon, lychee, plum, cherry, jamun, peach and pomegranate. Vegetables we get in monsoon season: tomato, carrot, cucumber, capsicum, lady's finger, lemon, gourds, bottle gourds, brinjals, etc. People love to eat corn, fritters, pakoras. These are some dishes we enjoy in monsoon season. Creatures we can see in monsoon season is worm, frog, snake, snail, sometimes scorpion in village area, centipede, roe beetles, Aedes mosquito, millipede. The exercise given in the EVS workbook for rainy season is paste the sticker of snail and earthworm. You have to paste the sticker of earthworm here and snail. Now the next topic is fruits. These are some fruits. The fruits we can eat raw. We have to wash it, cut it. If you want, you can peel it also. Some of the fruits are, we have to peel it and then only we can eat. So this is apple. Apple you can peel it and eat, and without peeling also you can eat the apple. Mango, you peel it and eat. Banana, banana of course without peeling we can't eat. Orange, orange also we have to peel it. The taste of orange is sweet and sour. Grapes, no need to peel it. Papaya, papaya after peeling cut it and eat. Guava, pomegranate, pomegranate also we need to peel it. Watermelon, after cutting the watermelon from inside it is red in color. So these are some fruits. Now let's do the exercise in the EVS workbook. In EVS workbook, page number 47, you have to see the fruit key and color the fruits accordingly. Then circle the fruits you like to eat. Here is the key. You can see mango in yellow color, apple red, pear green, orange in orange color, banana yellow, and papaya in yellow or orange color. So you will color the fruits and then circle the fruit you like to eat. So you will color the mango in yellow, apple in red, orange, the orange color, guava, pear, green, papaya, orange, and banana, yellow. And you will circle the fruit you like to eat. I like to eat mango, banana, pear, apple, orange, and papaya sometimes. So this way you will finish the exercise in the EVS workbook. For more revision, in picture dictionary book, page number 1 and 2, fruits pictures are given. Apple, banana, strawberry, grapes, orange, mango, pomegranate, pineapple, watermelon, guava. So that's all with the video. Thank you so much.